When we think about video on the web, we usually think about that wacky stuff on YouTube and social media. But adding a video to your website can really amp up customer engagement.
I'm Emily, this is Joplin, and we're going to share with you the top 3 reasons why adding video to your small business website is a great idea. First and most important, people love watching video way more than they do reading text, like way more, because it allows them to consume more content much faster.
Need more proof? YouTube. People watch more than 6 billion hours per month on there.
Yeah, plus YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, making it a powerful video library that you definitely want to be a part of.
And guess who owns YouTube? It's Google, the world's largest search engine. Which brings us to our second reason, adding video to your website really cranks up your SEO.
A video's YouTube title and tags and its description all get crawled by search bots. This means in addition to targeting keywords and phrases on your web page, these fields in YouTube offer you yet another opportunity to target and boost SEO.
A video is a sticky feature on your site. It's something that keeps your visitors on your site for longer. That's something that Google uses to evaluate SEO.
Finally, whether you're selling necklaces or raising funds for a nonprofit, videos are a great way to share your story, making it crucial to successful social marketing.
And video content is considered highly shareable, so no matter where you include it, just make sure it links back to your site.
Video lets you put a human face on your business, so it's a really powerful way to connect with customers and build brand trust.
So let's recap the top 3 reasons to use video on your website.
1, people love watching videos. 2, videos offer a great way to boost SEO. And 3, videos are crucial to successful social marketing. I'm Emily, that's Joplin. See you next time.